deal with as well. I do want to start off by talking about that snow we saw yesterday and looking at the snow reports. Most of the top snow reports were actually into Massachusetts. We had 4.5 inches in some areas, a 7-inch report, 2.5 inches. Most everybody else picked up an inch or two if there was any accumulation. Today, though, it's a little bit of a different story, which is the good news. Here we have some rain still hanging out off the coast here, working its way into places like Boston and New York City. But further to the north, we have the blue on the map still. We have the snow into mostly northern Maine. Now, the good news, it's not going to linger for too long. Temperatures right now, a little bit warmer, especially along the coast compared to yesterday, but we're still in the 30s in places like Boston and Portland, some of the same areas that are thawing out after the snow like you see on the right side of your screen in Cambridge, Massachusetts yesterday. We warm up though today. Warmer air moving in. By the time we get to Monday, we are in the 60s in most of Pennsylvania, into the Ohio Valley, 70s closer to DC there. Doesn't last though. We have a cold front moving in. That's going to bring severe weather potentially to all of the areas highlighted in yellow here. It's level 1 out of 4. Some risk of severe weather for the Ohio Valley all the way through West Virginia into western Pennsylvania. It's mostly a damaging wind event, but be prepared for isolated tornadoes and hail because that is not out of the question for sure. Gets colder, obviously. Behind the cold front, temperatures dropping 15 to 30 degrees in some areas from Monday to Tuesday night as it slowly but surely works its way off the East Coast. Here's how it all plays out on future radar. We get rid of the current system only to see the next one working its way into the overnight in western Pennsylvania. So the heavier downpours associated with this as well. That kind of breaks up, but we're not done, right? You can see some more rain break off to the west, moving through the Ohio Valley and then into West Virginia and western Pennsylvania very early tomorrow evening. We're at 4 p.m. now. We continue to play this out, goes through the northeast. Scattered rain comes in behind this as the system slowly but surely works its way off the coast. So day after day of rain, not necessarily total washouts every day, but enough to maybe be annoying. Well, it has been a hot stretch in Phoenix, Arizona.